A simple delight: chicken legs in a skillet. Chicken legs sizzling in a skillet. It's a beautiful thing. The aroma fills the kitchen, making your tummy rumble. Golden brown skin, juicy meat, and simple flavors. This is a dish that brings joy every time. It's easy to make and oh so delicious. This isn't fancy food. It's about good ingredients cooked well. It's about a meal that brings everyone together. So grab your skillet and let's get cooking. Why is this chicken leg dinner a favorite? It's simple. It's incredibly tasty. The chicken is always juicy and flavorful. The skin gets crispy and golden. And the best part? It's so easy to make. You don't need to be a chef. This recipe is perfect for beginners. It's also quick to cook, making it ideal for busy weeknights. Throw it all in the skillet and dinner's almost ready. Let's talk ingredients. You'll need chicken legs, salt, pepper, and a little oil. That's it. Heat the oil in your skillet. Season the chicken with salt and pepper. Now, place the chicken legs in the hot skillet. Cook for about 6 to 8 minutes on each side. You want the skin to be crispy and golden, and the chicken cooked through. That's it. Dinner is served. This isn't just a meal. It's about the joy of cooking. It's about creating something delicious with your own hands and sharing it with the people you love. This simple chicken leg dinner brings that joy every time. Whether it's a Tuesday night or a special occasion, this dish fits right in. It's satisfying, comforting, and always a crowd pleaser. So go on, give it a try. You might just find yourself cooking it every day.